Here is Amora app. So how to use free moons in Amora app. So first of all, super cool referral program. So you can just tap in top right, invite friend, and here is my code 6C3EYT. You can also just enter it here and then claim moons. How you can spend these moons? You can only spend them on insights. You cannot spend them on soulmate. Here you need to upgrade, as you can see, but you can always spend them on insights. So for example, you can just tap in here. You can see all the topics: current energy, friend with hidden feelings, someone from your past, new interest, and then just get insights. And then you can just tap here, and then you can get it for 15 moons. So here's you can get it for free if you used free moons which you got with friends. So that's kind of the idea. So that's how you can use these free moons coins in Amora app.